Are you talking to your brother? Be gentle. Don't push on his tummy. Can you say hi, Rocky? Rocky, baby? Can you say I love you? Can you tell him you love him? Can you say I love you, Rocky? Can you give him kisses? Oh, he got your eye. He didn't mean to. Yeah.